how's it going everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I just kind of wanted to update you guys on, I guess just the market, because gold today took a huge dump, like a 2% drop, a little bit less than 2%, but it's basically 2%. And that is not good for my portfolio. KL was down 2.5% today. It did hold to this level. This is my largest position. This is it's an alright zone, I guess, but man, gold is getting decimated and my portfolio is not doing too hot. But you know, where I want to talk about some trades, I ended up taking JP Morgan and AMD. And today, I actually bought some Verizon. But yeah, we'll talk about those in a minute. Let's just check out the overall market real quick. Wow, Smith & Wesson brand, or Smith & Wesson up 5%. QQQ is up 1.18%. Just steadily climbing higher. Where's the SPY? SPY, wow, at the end of the day, had a big push up. Last 10 minutes of trading, moved a 0.25%. Interesting. Yeah, gold and silver, this kind of got hit pretty hard. I had, shares AG. Let's see if I can put the trades on for you guys. Oops. Okay, they're not gonna show up. I don't think you guys can see what I just did because I'm recording this in a different mode, so you can only see this window. So I noticed that the other day when I was recording, or editing, I should say. But yeah, I think I sold on this day a good amount of shares because it was just so extended. I still have some shares, I'm still hanging on, but yeah, I managed to secure a decent amount of profit. And I mean, it stinks to like sell, because it could have went higher. I mean, but again, I wanted to take the profit off just in case. But yeah, anyway, great trade. Still got some shares hanging on. It moved so fast. Okay, I'm just rambling about this. AMD, not too happy. I think I bought on this day. I think on Monday. Yeah. And I mean, it fell. It's kind of hanging in there. I don't like how it's looking though. To be honest, like it's struggling. If we go to JP Morgan, it had a bounce and it ricocheted right off of it. This trade we're up about 8% already, maybe 7%. 129.60 about right there. I messed up. Yeah, it's about 6.5%, so that's a pretty good trade so far. AMD hasn't done anything. I'm neither down nor up. Average price 87.80. So, EMX is kind of looking like it's following. I have this too. Average price $2.97. MAG got getting slapped. I didn't sell any of this, but I like my position. $16, 16.80. Oh wow, I'm not even that high up. SM Energy did pretty good this week. 20%. I know there's still 1 day left in the market, or for this week, but yeah, it did pretty good. Verizon, I just like the zone it's in. This is a 1-year time frame. Even if we go to a 5-year weekly, like it's getting in these dangerously low levels. Dividend yields about 4.5%. I think I'm just gonna try to run this up to here, to like $60, 61 maybe. I do like the company. I was actually gonna make a video about it today, but I decided to do this video instead. I didn't really do too much analysis, but I mean, it's Verizon. A lot of people use their platform or their service, and 5G is gonna be rolling around, so there's a lot of, or I guess it is out now, but they have a lot of cash, a lot of customer base, so dividend or payout ratio was about, I think it's like 35-40% consistently over the last like maybe 5-6 years, so that's kind of good. ExxonMobil did great this week. I actually added more shares, I think, on this day. Yeah, the day of earnings, I kind of impulsively, it was more of an impulse buy. shares because I was like, you know, they had a really bad earnings too. Like it wasn't even good, but I don't know. They're still hanging on to their dividend. I'm not even sure why I bought it, but yeah, just kind of impulse. Right now it's doing good. It's up about 5%. My earnings was this day. Yeah, about 5-6% since it had earnings. If you look on a bigger time frame, you know, like yeah, I don't know. But if it goes back to 56, that's $8 a share. It's pretty good. Now let's look at some of the other stuff we were watching. So this was Alcoholic Corp. I was watching for a bounce here. I kind of wanted a bounce here though, so that's why I didn't take the trade. But if you bought at that level, it went up 10%. CCJ. Ford was another one. Ford, I kind of wish I took the trade, but I decided to not. You know, we had on this day was actually the day. Yep. No. 29. Maybe it was this day then. Yeah. This day was Monday the 1st. Had a big 7% move up, but then, you know, fell back, but then. So this would have been a decent trade. It was kind of close to earnings for me, but it's in this really interesting zone, so yeah, that could have a pretty big run up if anything. But it's got a lot of resistance heading up in that direction, but just something to watch out for. JDX. Man, super sad. This is just falling. Hopefully it doesn't fall further southwest. Like, I feel bad. I wish I took this trade and talked to my friend about it because we were watching it. I mean, it never got to the zone we were looking at it, but it still could have been pretty decent. Just trade. Neo, NXC. Let's see. Play. Yep. Dave and Buster's actually did kind of the opposite of what I thought. Moved all the way up. That's about 11%. Just that small move, 2 days. You know, I think we're gonna face some resistance here. It could shoot above, but my bet is hopefully it goes down, pick it up in this area, and then we'll get that move if it does break above or break out. Sorry, that probably hurt someone's ears. So I'll put the compressor on. Oh, I wanted to chew gum in this video. I forgot. All right, next time I'll chew gum because I know some people like when I chew gum and talk about stocks. Yeah, I wanted to fall back to this level. You know, just had this kind of straight up. You had a little bit down here, but I'm looking for like a big pullback. Like that's 20%. Get that pullback. Enter there. Then hopefully it breaks out. I mean, it could break down, obviously, but see what happens. Smith & Wesson brand still waiting for it to get down to here. I'm kind of surprised this actually broke to the upside because I don't know, just look at that look at those candles, like, you know, a fall and then a sell. I guess steady increase. You know, the buyers or whoever was shorting this decided to get out. So let's see, Tesla, Uber, Verizon. I could just take Verizon off now. Let's see what moved today. GameStop. Oh my gosh. 42% fell. It fell 42%. Wow. Big drops. AMC also. Qualcomm. They missed earnings or something. I guess so. Something happened. Interesting. Clorox. Oh my gosh. Down 6% too. Wow. Space. Had a big run up, so it's gotta fall a little bit. Harley Davidson. A lot of things are missing earnings, that's what it looks like. Canopy Growth reports next week. What's Snapchat doing? I haven't seen Snapchat in a while. Workhorse, geez, up 14% today, 14.5%. SeaWorld too, wow. Six Flags, yeah, all those things. Interesting. eBay, wow. eBay. Earnings, yeah. That's a big move. Wait, is that all-time high? Yeah, okay, interesting, look. This is all-time high. It came back to retest it. Look at that, it's perfect. Literally, it's amazing how that works. Just all the trading bots, I guess, and raise their dividend by 2 cents a share. The fall down. Interesting. Yeah, I think that's pretty much, let's see. I think that's all I want to talk about, but let's see if I can find something else to look at too. There's so much information, you know. I mean, I think we should talk about gold and silver just because I have such a large percentage of my portfolios in it. I'm getting a little worried. I know this is kind of like not a chess game, but I understand that I have to be patient. I just think I got in I was too confident at higher prices. And my average price was 47 bucks. So I'm down about 20%. I mean, at the time it seemed like a deal. I mean, I started adding here and I added all the way down. But now we're just getting into like, I don't know, people just don't want this. I still, man, this earnings, or was it this earnings? I don't really remember, but they like killed it. And I don't know whether I'm being too optimistic or I just have a really bad entry. And the thing is, like, I would love to sell, right? Take those capital gain losses, wait 30 days, and then re-enter. But at the same time, like, what if like the move happens or it goes back and I'm just sitting there without the stock, and you know, so I mean, it's still they have some dividend, but it's just in a weird scenario right now. I'm not sure how I should react. Yeah, it's probably gonna fall back to 35 bucks, which would be another 5% drop, which is pretty bad because again, this is a big position in my portfolio. But I still think longer term, just given the economic climate, that I'm in the right trade here. Just gotta sit through a lot of pain, I guess. That's why I was pretty not, quick to respond to this selling at these prices, like when it hit here and hit here, just because I just want to take some profits where I can and keep these trades that I think are gonna take a little bit longer to play out. Would I buy more here? Probably not. But if it falls to here, I think I either have to, if it falls here and stays below, like, I gotta either get out or, you know, like this price, I said that back here, 40 bucks, I think. Like, if it goes here, it should definitely bounce. And it broke that, so I'm not too sure. But if, like, again, if it breaks here, like, where's it going after this? Like, I don't know. This is a big support area too, so just hope it hangs in there. But I guess I can only hope for now and just keep, I don't know, trying to look at so like nothing really changed. Nothing changed about why I own this company and other companies in the gold sector and mining, or gold and silver sector. Economic climate's still crummy. We have 4 more years of probably hardcore unlimited money printing, low interest rates, so nothing really changed. I think people are kind of just dumping these stocks, and I just gotta, you know, yeah, I think it's fine. We'll see what happens. I think KL will most likely see 35 bucks. So, man, that'd be such a good time to buy, but I can't put any more money into it than I already have. Yep, I still like mag. I don't think I want to add here. This would be a good zone to add, but I don't think I need any more right now. But if it does fall back to like 14, ooh, I'm a buyer. I would like to increase this position, but just volatile. Yep. I think that's all I kind of want to talk about now. I think I'm gonna try to do a video Saturday night. Maybe I'll do a video Saturday night and upload it Sunday sometime, or maybe Saturday. I don't know. I feel like more people want to watch stuff on Sunday night, so when the market opens in the morning. But yeah, I guess I went through all my stocks today just to see if anything was setting up. I didn't see anything new, but things can happen in one day, so I'll check tomorrow. And I guess I'll check Saturday and make a video about it and keep you guys updated. So, actually, what's that one company? Real. I think someone mentioned this. The Real company. I don't really see too much. This guy looks like it's gonna break down. Actually, look at that pattern. One of the subscribers, or one of the people on the channel, mentioned that looking at this, like this looks like it's going down. Interesting. I mean, if you're holding the stock, I hope it doesn't. But just that's what it kind of looks like. I think it's CVIV or something. CVIV. Anyway, I always do this every video. CIVI maybe, I don't remember. Where I try to end the video, then I just keep talking. Anyway, JP Morgan, I'm really hoping it breaks out of here. If it does, I think $1.50. Not $1.50. 150 is the price target. AMD, I think I'm probably just gonna dump it tomorrow, or wait and hold it to the next week. Just be a little patient, but I'm not getting that move I thought I was after retest and bounce above. Still some hesitation in the market. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.